Hey y'all, today we are in the kitchen making my famous 7-Up cream cheese pound cake. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. All right, so I am going to use some Pam baking release and spray my bump pan. I have my oven preheated to 325. To my flour, I am adding some salt and baking powder, and then I'm going to set this aside. I will have all the measurements listed below. Next, we're going to add in 3 sticks of unsalted butter. We're also going to add in some white sugar. We're going to blend that until it is light and fluffy. Next, we're going to add in our cream cheese. Everything is at room temperature, and just going to get that mixed into the sugar and butter. Next, I'm going to add in my vanilla, and then I'm going to mix that, and then I'll add in the zest of 1 lemon and 2 tablespoons of its juice. I hope you all are doing well. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. All right, and then I'm going to add in my eggs. I have 4 eggs at room temperature. Going to add them in 2 at a time. All right, so after the eggs are beaten, I'm going to start to incorporate the flour and the 7-Up. I did this in 3 parts, alternating between flour and 7-Up. This is where the real muscle comes in at. I actually need to get a bigger bowl. So it took me a while, but I got everything mixed in. Again, the oven is preheated to 325. And y'all, I am getting better at this baking thing. I can cook my butt off. Baking has been a challenge, but I feel like I have mastered this pound cake recipe, so I'm really proud of that. I also have a couple of cookie recipes that I really love. I'm gonna link those too, just so you guys can check them out if you haven't. So we are getting everything into our pan. I did tap this a few times just to make sure I got any air bubbles out. I'm going to bake this on 325 for 1 hour and 20 minutes. You can check your cake maybe about 1 hour in, and you can also check it with a toothpick to make sure that comes out clean. But this was so good. All right, so now we're going to start to work on our icing as our cake is coming out of the oven and cooling. All right, and this is always the nerve-wracking part for me, the flip over, but we did it successfully. Woohoo! All right, now we're going to work on our glaze for our cake. I have some powdered sugar, a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of 7-Up. The measurements will be listed. You do not need a lot of liquid. And then I'm going to put a drop of food color to start. If you want it more intense or opaque, you can add more. I ended up adding 2 drops just so I can have it a little bit more vibrant. And just take your time mixing it because it will thin out once the icing and the liquids start to get together. All right, and now I'm just pouring this glaze over the cake. And there's no way to do it. You can do it however you like because it's still gonna taste good. And so just getting the cake glazed, and y'all, yes, this was so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, I appreciate you for watching. If you are new, welcome. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. I'll talk to you later. Bye.